Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fazanaja. This time I will submit my final assessment with the title of material How to Respond to Globalization Wisely. And the first is introduction. Friends, how often do you use technology in your daily life? In this era of globalization, it is difficult not to use technology even for a moment, because almost all items that humans use for work and activities are a form of technological development. With technology, we can cook, clean ourselves, study, do work and play. Unfortunately, the use of technology in globalization does not always have a good impact, but can also cause bad impact. Therefore, we must be clever in responding to globalization. And the first is pay attention to values and norms. Pay attention to values and norms means understanding, respecting, and implementing the values and norms that apply in society. Values and norms are important in social life because they can maintain stability and order of life. Values are principles or guidelines relating to what is good or bad, right or wrong in society. Values can be divided into several types, such as material values, vital values, and spiritual values. Meanwhile, norms are rules or standards of behavior that society must obey. Norms function as social guidelines that regulate individual interaction and behavior in various life contexts. Norms can be divided into several types, such as religious norms, moral norms, civility norms, and legal norms. And the second is filtered foreign culture. Filtered foreign culture is the process of selecting foreign culture that is good for the progress of the nation and discarding culture that does not conform to existing norms in Indonesia. Using Pancasila as a criterion for filtering foreign culture, Pancasila functions as a guide or basis for evaluating foreign cultures that arrive in Indonesia. Instilling love for the country, practicing Pancasila values, encourage faith and piety. Study and implement the teaching of the religion he adheres to, does not violate existing legal regulation in Indonesia. Maintaining certain regional or local cultures, foreign culture can have a positive impact, such as enriching Indonesian culture, improving people's quality of life, and so on. However, foreign culture can also have negative impact, such as eliminating the characteristic of one's own national culture. The third is not easily carried away by the current. Not being easily carried away by the current means having strong life principle, not to be swayed in an environment that can have a bad influence. Here are some tips so you don't get carried away easily. Have principle. Strong life principle can be a self-limitation so that you don't do excessive things. Be selective in choosing friends. Avoid choosing friends who can have a bad impact, especially if the company is bad. Keep yourself busy with positive activities. Keeping yourself busy with various positive activities and good people will make your relationships also good. Get closer to religion. Belief in religion can be a reminder not to do bad things. Now, the possible consequence: getting carried away by bad relationships can have a negative impact and make you regret it later. And the fourth is get along properly. Socializing properly can be interpreted as a process of interaction that is carried out well and politely and has a positive influence on other people. Here are some examples of good social attitudes. Be friendly and polite to everyone. Respect other people's opinions. Don't interrupt the conversation. Instill a sense of empathy. Maintain other people's privacy. Be a good listener. Apologize if there are mistakes. Have a friendly face with a smile in Islam. Relationships with the opposite sex must be based on ethics so as not to violate the Sharia. There are several etiquettes for interacting with the opposite sex in Islam, including not being secluded, keeping your gaze, protecting yourself when chatting, avoid talking about the opposite sex, dressing modestly and covering your private parts. And the latter is conclusion. Globalization is a process of international integration that occurs as a result of the exchange of worldviews, product, thoughts, and other cultures aspects. Globalization can have positive and negative impact, as well as strengthen local wisdom. Here are some conclusion regarding globalization. Positive impact. Globalization can bring positive impact such as changes in values and attitudes, development of science and technology, better level of life increase, access to knowledge, opportunity to show culture to the world. That all from me. I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.